the dropper, what is this called? A dropper. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today it's another snow day. It seems that my filming schedule has been coinciding with the snow days or the weather, which is really great for me, but also great for you because now we have more content. So today I just woke up, I had to do some shoveling, so I wanted to share with you my everyday skincare for the winter season since the winter has been getting a lot more gruesome. It's been super windy lately, it's been snowing at least once a week now, so I'm going to share with you my go-to skincare routine for the morning, especially since I'm prepping it usually for some light makeup in the morning before I go to work. And then more importantly, I want to share with you 3 of my go-to, could not live without skincare products that I have been using and I absolutely love. To find out what those items are, stay tuned and keep on watching. When I first wake up, the first thing I do is just go to the bathroom, bring my towel, and put some water on my face. I don't necessarily like to use a cleanser to rip off any of the moisture since I did do my skincare routine the night before and all those good for you compounds are still on your face. I just like to use the water to take off any of the extra residue and just to kind of wake myself up at the same time. So I do that, I put some water on my face and then just make sure to pat it with my towel. And then once I'm done with that, I come back to my room so that I can start my skincare routine. So with this, the very first thing I like to do is to go in with an eye serum. So the one I've been loving, and this is the first product that I cannot live without, and I don't know how I lived without for so long, is the 5% caffeine solution by The Ordinary. And on the bottle it says that this reduces appearance of eye contour pigmentation and of puffiness. For 30 milliliters on The Ordinary's website is $6.70 US dollars, which is amazing for the quality and how much you're spending. The value is definitely there. So I love this stuff. So let's go ahead and put that on our eyes. To do this, I just like to take the squeezer, what is this called? A dropper. I just like to take the dropper, put 2 dots on separate fingers. I don't know, that's like what I like to do. Okay, that was 3. And then I like to just press it between my fingers, pat that in with the 2 drops, and I find that that covers the area pretty sufficiently. And what I love about this solution is that it dries down pretty quickly, which is great because in the morning, if I'm in a rush, I can move on to the next step of my skincare routine pretty quickly. And in this case, my next step of my skincare routine, that is my number 2 product that I can't believe I've been living without, is the Innisfree Intense Hydrating Serum. So this is made with green tea seed. And what I think is different and unique about this particular hydrating serum is that it is very thin, and I love that because I feel like it can penetrate the skin really quickly. And again, since this is the morning routine, I'm kind of in a rush and I want to move on to the next step, so I feel like this is an amazing way, especially in the winter, to add back moisture to your skin without losing some precious moments of time in the morning. On the bottle it says that this hydrating serum is formulated with freshly squeezed green tea and green tea seed oil from the Jeju Island to replenish skin for a smooth, glowing complexion. So with this, I just like to pump out about 3 pumps, rub it between my fingers, and then just pat and gently rub onto the face just to spread it, and then I'll try to pat it on, making sure to move in upward motions. And anything remaining I just like to put on my neck and jawline. Now that we are done with our serums, I can move on to now creams. The eye cream that I've been using lately is the Elizabeth Arden Good Morning Eye Treatment. This also helps to decrease any puffiness in the morning, so I just love to add a little bit to each finger, do the same thing, kind of put it between my fingers like that, and then just tap it onto my under eye. Then again, since it is the winter, I want to add as much hydration as possible. One of my favorite moisturizers to use is the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. So I've been using this for a while, and I noticed that my skin was starting to not really perform and react to it the same way that it used to. So then all I had to do was start to introduce new products into my rotation, and then after that, when I reintroduced the product to my skin, it started responding the same way that it did when I first discovered it. I try to use this more so when my skin's either really dry or in the winter. So with this, I just like to gently rub it on, and then we're all hydrated. So the very last step that I make sure to never ever miss before I leave the door is to apply a very thick and hydrating lip balm. My lips are just naturally dry, so in the winter you can imagine it is 10 billion times worse. So this step is super important and crucial to my morning routine. And my favorite ointment for my lips is the Aquaphor Healing Ointment. I have this giant tube here that I think I got on Ulta when it was on sale because I think they discontinued this specific like foam tip. but it also comes in smaller tubes that you can get like Walgreens or any of the drugstore. But since that foam tip is not the best, I like to just twist off the entire cap and then squeeze out a little bit, put on my finger, and then just rub it onto the lips. I think that it works the best for me when I do my skincare first, then put on my lip ointment, and then do my makeup after that. It did snow overnight, so I'm going to shovel my deck for my dad since he had to go to work today. I want to bring you along with that. I'm going to play with my dog outside since he loves the snow. I just wanted to take you along on my little snow day, and let's go shoveling. I don't know what I love more, wearing my snowboarding jacket or knowing that I'm going to get an insane workout from shoveling. Back to business. Okay, ready? Ready? Look at it. Go. Go get it. So we're done. I'm quite exhausted, although it did not take as long as I thought it would. Thank you so much for joining me on my snow day. I think for the rest of the day I'm just gonna do laundry and boring stuff that you don't need to join me to see. So thank you so much again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, dislike it, do whatever you want to do with the video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.